Hi, my name is Sally and this is a tutorial for you teach me. We're gonna do on Codemoji. We're gonna do CSS today, and CSS stands for Cascading Styling Sheet. It goes in with HTML, which HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Let's start. So as you know, adding colors to a website is fun. Every website you go to has colors. Today, you will learn how to add that amazing color to your web page using CSS. Adding CSS on Codemoji is fun and easy. Simply click on an emoji in the editor to see the styling options. Make the heading red by clicking on the first ice cream and then clicking the paint and click the red circle. So here, this emoji is the lights is the HTML. This is the head, and this is many other codes. So if you see like something like this, you press on it, and if you again like this, you press on colors. Then you go on. If you do it wrong, just choose a random color and then wrong code. Congratulations, you just added CSS to a header, making the front color. So that will red. That will just say when you've done it correct. So if it says choose the image below that represents the color red. If it says like ice cream, which one is the ice cream, which was the body, or which was the title, you just press on one of them you think. Lesson 2, font size. Making your text bigger and bolder will get your friends to read and see the super duper important information in your site fast. The bigger you make the text using CSS, the larger it will show up on the page. Different text has different sizes. Most headers are 36 pixels and most text is 12 to 14 pixels. Keep this in mind when picking the size of your text using the CSS inputter. Making the font size 36 pixels by clicking on the first ice cream and then clicking the font size and select the large block. So you go here, as it says, and then you press on font size. You go on the biggest one, and it will basically say, like, congratulations, you have edited the font size of the header. It would say like that if you done it again correctly. Lesson 3, font family. Font can make your text go wacky or slim and cool. Sometimes adding a wacky font to header you just make and colored to make it stand out. Cool, simple, non-wacky fonts are used for most tags. Fonts and stand out lot less than the others. Sometimes wacky is good, other times it's cool, and occasionally basic is better. Make the font family alone by clicking on the first ice cream and then clicking the family and select the T in the middle. So you click on the ice cream, then you click on the family, and you click the middle one, as it said. Then you press run code, and it will say congratulations, and it will say about it. And then you press next lesson. Text can be found all over a page, depending on the type of text, be it a header or a paragraph. It will be aligned differently. Text can be aligned left, right, center, or justified like in a newspaper. You always want to make sure your text looks good on the web page you're building by using your align, you can always pick the perfect place for your text to go. Just a few clicks and the text is on the page wherever you want it. Make the text align center by clicking on the first ice cream and then clicking the newspaper and clicking the lines in the center. This way. So you basically go on the ice cream, press on the newspaper, and then press on in the middle. Because as you read it told us to go on the middle one. Congratulations. We'll say on everyone when you complete it. So we have to do the checkpoint now. Choose the emoji below that represents text alignment. It's this. Lesson 5. Font style. Style and looking cool matters to when it comes to the web, so does being able to change your font style to fit each situation. If you want to make your font bold, you could use font style, but today we are gonna add some italic to make our text in order to make it look a little different from the rest of the text. Make the font style italics by clicking on the first ice cream and then clicking the top hat and select the italic eye emoji. So you go on the ice cream and go on the hat. And you click on italics. Italics is the it's like the one with an eye, the diagonal eye. It has an eye, so then it can show if you. So then it shows. Basically, it's italics. You press wrong code. Any structural elements such as a div or an image can be resized by setting its width. Make the width of the image by clicking on the image and image emoji and then selecting an element. Then click on the image emoji again and click the width and select the smallest block. So you go on the images and I'll choose cat. If you don't want that, double click and you go back like this. So and I'll choose puppy instead. Click once on the width and click on the smallest one. That's it. And we press wrong. Next lesson. Lesson 7. Height. Changing the height of an element will change how tall it is. Similar to width, height can be used to resize a structural element. So basically, you can change the height when you want, and you can have a similar width to it. Just like your height, a higher number means that the element will be taller. 100 pixels is smaller than 400 pixels. Get it? Then press next when you read this. Make the height of the image by clicking the in the image emoji, and then selecting an element. Then click on the image emoji again and click on the height and select the largest block. You press go. You do here. I'll go and cat this time. This with the largest block is at the end. So let's do the checkpoint together. Choose the emoji below that represents height. Which one is that? Yeah, this one. Whatever color